The Sherpa told the climber he was insane. This mountain is long cursed, and no one who ventures to the summit has ever returned. For the first time in many centuries, Thor, the last god of Asgard, found peace, but sadly, it did not last long. Millennia, you bastard, even here you hound me. Why won't you leave me be? Why do you insist on mocking me? Thor was now weak and unworthy to live millennia anymore. He failed to defend Asgard when they were attacked by the Masters of Evil, and ever since, Thor had tried only to be left alone. But no matter where he wandered, millennia followed him around like a constant reminder of his unworthiness. He felt hatred towards the ones who ruined the world, but even more so hatred of himself and his damn hammer. This is not how you throw a punch. You punch with rage, not with focus. Such a blow hurts you far more than the thing you strike. Who the hell are you? Likang was the last guardian of the mystic citadel of Kunlun and the home of the immortal dragon, Shulao. He tells Thor that even though he is unworthy to lift his weapon, maybe his hands weren't meant for lifting hammers. He offered to help him and asked Thor to strike Mjolnir with his bare hands. After 30 days and nights, Thor's fists became hammers in their own right, and after 30 more, Mjolnir started to creak with every blow and even started dodging Thor's punches and fought back. Do you hear that, Thor? That isn't thunder. That is the sound of a hammer quaking. In fear, show it, Thor. Show it what kind of god you are. You're not the god of storms. You're the god who punches them. After Thor defeated Mjolnir, the Thunderer attacked him as a part of the next training, but Thor punched him so hard that it sent him flying through the door where the dragon Shulao was resting. The dragon was long dead. Thor had now become the god of fists, and Likang had nothing left to teach him. He left the city of immortals to take revenge on the Masters of Evil who destroyed Asgard and killed everyone he ever cared about. You may come, Mjolnir, just stay out of my way.